Okay, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be continuing to work on the raised garden. If you hadn't saw that video yet, you could just look below in one of my links, click it, raised garden, and see how I built the form on it. Now today I'm going to be adding compost. The video I didn't make, which I really didn't need a video, I filled it up with dirt. And here it goes here, it's filled up with dirt. You can see if you watch the video, I went down maybe a half a foot with this form, so it's under the ground. Then I filled almost all the way up for about 10 inches to the top of dirt. And then I'm gonna end up coming back and adding compost another 5 inches maybe, and I will save room for wood chips. Will be the last thing we'll put on here. Alright, I've already moved about half of these leaves. I rake these leaves up. These leaves that come from, as you can see, the oak trees. It's a pretty big oak tree. It's fell down. Some of these leaves probably have been laying here for a year. What's on the bottom, as you can see, if we take the top leaves off, under the bottom, how all this is falling apart. That's basically good nutrients right there for soil. By the time you put it on the top, it gets wet and adds with the dirt a little bit. That becomes the best topsoil you could get. Me, I have to do things cheap, but not only that, I like to work with the earth as well. So I'm not out buying a bunch of compost, dirt, soil, and stuff like this. You know, I'm trying to be organic with it and get it right from the nature. Alright, what I want to do next, I'm going to want to spray it down really good and keep it wet. So I'm going to spray this. I'll probably take a rake it a little bit after I spray it some more, and make sure it's very wet. After that, I'm going to take a tarp, have a black tarp here. I will cover it up. Now, from 7 to 10 days, maybe even 2 weeks, I will spray it. I will uncover it, spray it every day, cover it back up. Take the rake every couple days and turn it over, toss it, mix it up, and this should turn to a nice compost.